So now that I've made my peanut butter, let's make some ice cream. Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. That's right. We're going to make some peanut butter ice cream. Cup of peanut, make your own peanut butter, about 3/4 tablespoon of, I used avocado oil, but that's what we made our peanut butter with. So this recipe is another one from the Big Man's World, the Big Man's World. I really do like his recipes, y'all. So the things I had on hand to make it with was the peanut butter. He's got several other ice creams that you don't need a machine. There's no eggs involved. You just need a loaf pan of some kind. Stick it in the freezer. Let it be freezing. That's all you have to do. And then you need 14 ounces. Well, you go to his website and you'll see what all it takes. But condensed milk and heavy whipping cream. That's it. Those 3 ingredients. That's all you need to make this delicious ice cream. Got my KitchenAid here. Gonna get it plugged in. And I'm gonna put the heavy whipping cream in it. And we're gonna get it just slightly fluffy. Why? Because that's what the big man said do. It's supposed to be 2 cups. And I don't really know if there's 2 cups in this. There might be. I'll measure it and see. Just so you know. If you have to run out and buy your heavy whipping cream or get it when you're at the grocery next time, whatever, order it, you'll know for sure if it's enough to make this recipe with or not. Oh yeah, there's definitely enough in there. Alright, now we're going to whip this up till it gets light and fluffy. I don't know how long that's going to take, but we'll fast forward it for you. Okay. Yeah. Nice and fluffy. And you can do it by hand if you want to. I chose not to. Okay. Now, I'm going to put my condensed milk in there. And he has options if you don't use condensed milk. He does have other options you can use. Okay. There's that. And my peanut butter. Now you can use whatever peanut butter you want to, y'all. I've been making my own lately and I really like doing it. Hopefully this oil, I never thought about that until just now. Hopefully this oil that I put in there to help go ahead and get my peanuts mixed up won't affect the flavor or the way it sets up. And we're just gonna mix this all in together. peanut butter is so good. Just so simple. You just get your peanuts, you know, with no, just plain peanuts. Just plain peanuts. That's all you have to get. And put it in your blender, whatever blender you've got. You may not even have to add oil to it, you know. Let me get me a bigger. Get a bigger spatula here so I can dig down in the bottom. Do I dare even taste it before I freeze it, y'all? Do I? Probably. And you have to be careful when you're stirring this all in together. You don't want to break your peaks that you got from your heavy cream. And ours is going to have a little bit of crunchy to it, obviously, because of the peanuts that, the way that I made the peanut butter. So, oh my goodness. This is just making my mouth water. Okay. All right. I cannot wait for this to get firmed up. That's gonna be some really delicious ice cream. I did put some plastic wrap in my pan. He didn't say to, but I thought it would be best to. And so we're just gonna pour this in there. Tom will probably want to lick the bowl. I should imagine. So I'll save him some. Hey, you want to lick this bowl?
Yes.
And your fingers?
Sure.
Okay. Just go ahead and spread that out. We're going to put it in the freezer for a few hours. I wish y'all could have saw the look on that face just then. Look. Come here. He's like in that. We're a bunch of kids. Have mercy, that's so good. I think I'd almost lick it off of a dirty dish. Cut that out. That's not a... He pointing at the...
It's... Look, y'all. It ain't gonna look like this long, I promise you that.
Okay. In the freezer for a few hours. And then you want to let it thaw out just a little bit when you get it out of the freezer so you can scoop it out. But we'll let this freeze and then we'll see what it tastes like. We'll see. We'll let this freeze and we'll see how it sets up. I just took this out of the freezer. Yes, I put chocolate chips on my side. Uh-oh. Almost lost one too, didn't I? We're gonna taste it. Just straight out of the pan. Still hasn't been in there quite long enough, but...
Soft serve.
Soft serve, yeah.
What?
That is so good.
For those of y'all that need me to translate mouthful of ice cream, I just said honey hush. That is so good.
It is. I'm gonna get me another bite.
Yeah. I'll get some of that once it firms up a little bit, y'all.
Mmm. That's so good. I do have to put it back in the freezer and let it firm on up though. Be careful and don't hurt yourself when you're eating this, because you could really overdo it. If you haven't subscribed yet, I do hope you will. Click the subscription button and notification bell. That way you know each time we put new content on. But you all take care. And I'll see you on the next video. And thank you for joining me. Bye.